A federal judge is ordering Maryland Public Defender Natasha Darteague and her office to reverse actions taken against a fired employee after prosecutors say the public defender gave meritless claims about that employee being a security threat. Fox 45's Jeff Abel joins us live right now with a look into how all this unfolded and what this could mean for the public defender's office moving forward. Jeff.
That's right. The federal judge ruled that the public defender's office was out of bounds when it used baseless information to fire an employee and then alerted other state agencies that that employee could be a threat to the public. On most days, Maryland's public defender's office shines a light on the injustices in the criminal justice system. But now, that same office is accused of creating an injustice itself.
This amazing young woman has had her life devastated by this.
After 10 months of working at this office, a young law student received a call that would change her life forever. A lawsuit by the unnamed employee describes the moment when administrators informed her she was being discharged by the public defender's office over a remote video call and was banned from the premises. The fired employee later learned that she was fired for stalking a lawyer and posed a potential threat of violence to him and others. Attorney Kathleen Cahill is representing her.
They took all these extraordinary defamatory and damaging measures without asking my client a single question. Not one question. She had no idea what was going on.
Court documents reveal that another employee had discovered 3 bullets in her newly assigned desk. An attorney who formerly used that desk says the bullets were likely left over from her tenure there. But it was what happened next that forced the fired worker to file suit. Minutes after the firing, the public defender called the law school, alleging that the fired employee was dangerous, and the calls didn't stop there.
They posted her picture in the building, a state building. They notified the Department of General Services to post her picture in other state buildings. They notified the court system to bar her from the courthouses.
In November, a judge determined that the public defender's actions had damaged the reputation of the fired employee, ruling that there was no credible evidence of stalking and that the accusation that the worker posed a potential threat of violence was simply baseless. The judge also wrote that the public defender's office published false information to third parties, damaging her reputation, and that the OPD revealed the circumstances of the termination of employment to its own employees, who in turn communicated that information to other individuals.
OPD is in crisis. Every dollar matters.
Public defender Natasha Darteague, who's accused of ordering the firing, was not discussing her actions today. But a judge has given her office 10 days to reverse and retract the unproven comments, which attorneys say left a young law student with a damaged reputation.
All they had to do was ask her a question, and they would have seen in a second that that's the furthest thing from the truth. This is a peaceable, hardworking, kind young woman who all she wanted to do was graduate from law school and become a public defender.
Well, the court must next decide whether that fired employee deserves more than $5 million in damages. We're live tonight. Jeff Abel, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.